C is for cat with Hopi. Wake up, Hopi! It is a beautiful morning to find some treasures. Hopi finds a giant, sparkly letter C right in the middle of her room. C is for what? She wonders with a big smile. Suddenly, a soft meow comes from behind the door. Out pops a fluffy friend with twitchy whiskers. C is for cat. Shouts Hopi. She gives her new friend, Cosmo, a great big hug. Cosmo and Hopi go outside and find something that goes vroom vroom. It is a shiny, bright red vehicle with 4 round wheels. C is for car. Hopi says as she pretends to drive. Inside her art box, Hopi finds a rainbow of sticks. They are waxy and bright, perfect for making pictures. C is for crayons. Hopi picks up a blue one and starts to scribble. On the kitchen table, there is a sweet surprise. It has frosting, sprinkles, and 3 little candles. C is for cake. Hopi claps her hands. It looks so yummy and sweet. Cosmo looks up at the big blue sky. He sees white, fluffy shapes drifting by. One looks like a bunny, and another looks like a boat. C is for cloud. Cosmo purrs at the sky. Down in the garden, something tiny is wiggling on a leaf. It has lots of little legs and a bright green body. C is for caterpillar. Cosmo watches it move very, very slowly. Hopi wants to remember this moment forever. She holds up a colorful gadget and presses a button. Click. C is for camera. She takes a picture of the garden. Over the fence, a big, gentle animal says moo. It has black and white spots and a long tail. C is for cow. Hopi waves her hand to say hello to her big friend. What a busy day of C words. Hopi and Cosmo are tired from all the fun. They find a soft blanket and curl up together. C is for cuddle, whispers Hopi as they drift off to sleep. C is for cat with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.